In today's fast-paced and chaotic world, it is easy to get caught up in the pursuit of material possessions, status, and success. However, a profound and timeless wisdom lies within the words of Matthew 6 verse 33, which offers a guide for unlocking life's priorities. This verse encourages individuals to seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, reminding us to prioritize spiritual growth and a deeper connection with the divine. By understanding and embracing this wisdom, we can discover the key to a meaningful and fulfilled life. Unveiling the key to a meaningful and fulfilled life. In a world obsessed with achievements and wealth, Matthew 6 verse 33 presents a stark contrast. It serves as a reminder that our true purpose lies in seeking God's kingdom and righteousness. This verse challenges us to redirect our focus from the pursuit of worldly desires and instead prioritize the spiritual aspect of our lives. By making God the center of our priorities, we align ourselves with something greater, finding a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. Seeking God's kingdom entails dedicating ourselves to a life of love, compassion, and service. It means embodying the teachings of Jesus and living a life that reflects His values. When we prioritize righteousness, we strive to live in accordance with God's moral principles, seeking justice, integrity, and honesty in all aspects of our lives. By embracing these priorities, we not only strengthen our relationship with God but also contribute positively to the world around us. The wisdom of Matthew 6 verse 33 is not only relevant to our spiritual growth but also has practical implications for our daily lives. When we prioritize seeking God's kingdom and righteousness, we gain clarity about what truly matters. Our goals and ambitions become aligned with our values, and we become less susceptible to the distractions and temptations that can lead us astray. By focusing on the eternal rather than the fleeting, we cultivate a sense of peace and contentment that transcends the ups and downs of worldly success. In a world that often promotes a self-centered and materialistic mindset, Matthew 6 verse 33 offers a profound wisdom that can revolutionize our lives. By unlocking life's priorities and seeking God's kingdom and righteousness, we discover a path to a meaningful and fulfilled existence. This verse reminds us to redirect our focus from the pursuit of worldly possessions to a deeper connection with the divine and a commitment to living a righteous life. As we embrace this wisdom, we unlock the key to a life that is rooted in love, purpose, and peace. Please like and subscribe. For more content and full videos, visit our channel. Thank you.